Vloggers or game YouTubers tend to add webcam footage to a video. Definitely, it is a great way to increase engagement and help viewers connect with your content, especially when you are sharing gameplay highlights or creating instructional videos. So, today, I will share a professional webcam recorder with you guys, that is, VideoSolo screen recorder. Click here to get it free. If all you need to do is make webcam videos, like make a speech or a talk, just click here and you will find the webcam recorder. Then you can adjust the webcam window as you need and now, start webcam recording in one click. But if you are recording a gameplay, training video, or other types of instructions, you may need to capture everything on your screen, including the webcam. How to do it? Firstly, get back to the main interface and choose the video recorder. Turn on both display 1 and select the recording region. Also, you should resize and position the preview window to make yourself look good after adding the webcam footage. Now, turn on or turn off the system sound and microphone as per your need. For higher quality audio, click the gear-shaped icon to enter into the preferences. Here, you can enable the microphone noise cancellation and microphone enhancement to make your voice clearer. Also, you can start a sound check to make sure the audio can be recorded successfully. In the Output tab, you can change the video format, quality, frame rate, or any other output settings. Just make your own choice. Now all has been done. Hit the red rec button and you will see a countdown timer, then your webcam will start recording. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more practical tips.